no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me. I don't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me.
I can't focus. I need them to be quiet. Can you guys please be quiet? I need a way to tune out the noise.
Beep boop, beep 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 boop boop. Guys, I think someone's in trouble and they need our help.
Really? Who?
The soundometer says there's a little girl named Sam. She needs to cancel out some sound noise around her.
That sounds like the perfect job for us. Let's go!
If you hear a sound that you don't like, who you gonna call? Sound Busters. If it gets too loud, can't sleep at night, who you gonna call? Sound Busters. We ain't afraid of no sound. We ain't afraid of no sound.
Sam, we're here to help you with your noise problem.
Oh, thank goodness. I couldn't focus. I just needed something to tune out the sound.
Well, you've called the right people for the job.
Here, try these. They are sound canceling headphones made of special material called blown-in cellulose, natural material that is recyclable.
It's also fire and waterproof.
And did we mention they're affordable?
Hold on, let me try them out. Wow, thanks guys. These are great. How much do I owe you?
Don't worry, it's all on us.
Well, looks like our job is done here.
Guys, come on, we have to get back to the HQ Superbus at HQ fast.
Guys, wait. Can I ask a favor?
Yeah, what's up?
I have a neighbor that lives right next door to me, and he likes singing very loud. Is there anything you guys can do to soundproof my apartment?
Love on the brain. This got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but it me so good that I can't get enough.
Yes, we can. How big is your apartment?
It's about 934 square feet.
Blown-in cellulose costs about 88 cents per square foot, which would make your installation cost about $821 without labor.
Labor would be about $200 more, so that's $1,021.
Why blown-in cellulose?
Good as blown-in cellulose.
Rubber won't block out the sound entirely and will only last you 6 months.
Fiberglass will only last you a year tops.
Okay, you've convinced me. I'll get the blown-in cellulose. How soon can you install it?
Let's shoot for tomorrow at 6 p.m.
That works great. See you then.
See ya!
If you hear a sound that you don't like, who you gonna call? Sound Busters. If it gets too loud, can't sleep at night, who you gonna call? Sound Busters. We ain't afraid of no sound. We ain't afraid of no sound.
We choose and advertise like mad to make it look like we're giving stuff away, when in fact we're raking in cash hand over fist because the couple dollars you save on sale items we take back with inflated prices on everything else in the store. So when you think you're saving money, you're really spending way more money than you would at Big. So you can buy every item in the
Wait, I gotta find the
Make sure
camera.
my socks are right.
Oh my gosh.
Look at those beautiful shoes.
Make sure you record every video that way so that we don't have one.
I can't focus. I need them to be quiet. Y'all supposed to get louder.
Beep boop beep beep boop boop boop. Guys, I think someone and I need their help, and they need.
When you hear a sound, you hear a sound that you do not like, who you gonna call? Sound Buster.
Stop.
Oh wait.
Y'all not gonna get to see because of me. Syrup on brain. Stop that. Stop that.
Hold on, let me try them out.
We gotta redo it because
Wow, thanks guys. These are great.
like
Yes, we can. How big is your apartment?
It's about 934 square feet.
Blown-in cellulose costs about 88 cents per square foot, which will make your installation cost.
Okay,
Put in cellulose.
that's my problem.
let's shoot for tomorrow at 6 p.m.
That works great. See you then.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Come on, Adrian. Come on, Adrian. You not gonna get us? Okay. Okay.
We
No,
finished.
no, we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're done.